I'm trying to replace my capacitor on my outside heat pump. I had a discussion with one of your technicians on March 19, 2019 to get help on this. I thought I ordered the right part, but now that I got it and append up the outside unit, the one in place is significantly larger, most especially in its diameter. I am not sure I should replace that one with the one I got.
Have you replaced any part of your heat pump before? If so, how long ago?
No, but I have a company that does semi-anual or quarterly services on it. This all came up because they recommended that I have them replace the capacitor and then wanted to charge me $250 for it.
How long has this been going on with your heat pump? What have you tried so far?
They serviced it about a month ago.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Do you need the brand name and the model number of the heat pump?
One moment please. Note it takes time to type and add links, so please be patient. Also, the site will send you a phone call offer. That is not me. What are the UF ratigs on the old one and the new one along with the volt rating?
Okay, I took pictures of the old capacitor. There is a paper sticker on it with the following alphanumeric series: Cap 050040044 count CN 444005 RA 2013 12039. Another label has CBB 65B SH, 50/60ths of a Hertz 40/70/21 A.P1, C22.2 No.190 protected 10,000 AFC Tongfend Electronics CN 4405 RA 9. RAE 187356 Cap 050400440 count. That is all the information I can pull off the old capacitor. The box for the new /replacement capacitor has the following informatio: B06XQ4WDPB total line 40 plus 5 MFDP 291 to 405 RS 370 OR 440 volt dual run round capacitor made by Carrier for condenser straight cool or heat pump air conditioner CBB 65B. Also on another side it states +/_3% tolerance 5060 HC operation temp per A of 456A standard C22.2 number 190 AMB 46C. Are you still there? April 2, 2019 04:19 Are you still there? Are you still there? 3. Can you please respond? I do not want to spend $24 to speak by phone. Is that why you're making me wait?
No, you keep posting, delaying the posts to get to me. Hi and welcome to Just Answer. My name is to assist you today. It's a dual run capacitor and you got the correct replacement for it. It's not same size because it's different manufacturer. However, there is no problem if you install this new capacitor. Just connect it one by one while removing the connections from your old capacitor. Hope it helps. If you're satisfied with my assistance, your 5-star rating at this time is appreciated. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to ask.
Top scores to both experts who helped me. And I want to apologize to the first expert who referred me to the other expert. I became impatient and commented a negative remark. I'm sorry. He also did a top-rate job. I was impatient was all.
We always understand your frustration. As one of the expert here, we want to provide a best possible answer to help all our customers. However, I need to know what happened to your machine. Is it working now or you need more assistance? Please let me know.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/witthi.